Let's get into it. 1985 Chevy C10. She has a 305 cubic inch 5-liter V8 backed by a 3-speed automatic. She has power brakes, power steering, AC blow code. She got a set of 19-inch wheels. Paint has opportunity. She was driven. Check out the bed. Driver side frame and floor pans. Passenger side. Interior is in good condition. She has power windows, power locks. She has a minor rip over here on the driver's side seat. Something that's minor. Mileage reads a little over 48,000. Upper dash. Lower. Headliner good. Engine bay is nice and clean. She got the 305 cubic inch 5-liter V8 backed by a 3-speed automatic. Power brakes, AC, power steering. All the creature comforts, guys. Let's start her up. She's running like a sewing machine. All the contact information in the description below. Go visit rollingmuseums.com. We got over 100 detailed photos. Financing available. Y'all have a good one.